So now I'm going to show you how you can share your presentation in real time online with other people that have an internet connection. So how you do this is you just go to Start Presentation right there. And it's really big, so I'll go ahead and make it smaller so you can see it. But there we go. So it brings up this window, and now I'm sharing this presentation online. And how this works is up here, you can see to present this online, share the URL with other people to include them in your audience. So what you would do is you would start it online and let other people know that you're going to be sharing a presentation, and then you would copy this and send them this URL. And as they go to this URL, they're going to pop up here in this little audience box, and then you can actually chat, just like this. And then once everybody's here, you can start chatting. Everybody ready? All right, let's go. And then you can start the slideshow and just navigate your slides just like this. So that's a really cool thing. And I mean, the coolest thing about Google Documents in general is that it's all online. So of course you'd be able to present your slideshow online. And just kind of like when you collaborate on the spreadsheet with Discuss, you can chat. So that's a really cool function of Google Presentation. That's presenting it online in real time.